Vasculitis is defined as inflammation of the blood vessels. There are several diseases characterized by the presence of vasculitis. In some vasculitis diseases, inflammation is the main problem, while in others vasculitis is just part of the disease. This patient education program will help you understand vasculitis. It discusses the anatomy, symptoms, causes, diagnosis, and treatment of vasculitis. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are tube-like structures that carry blood through the body. The blood vessels of the body together are called the vascular system. Blood rich in oxygen leaves the left part of the heart and enters the aorta, the biggest artery of the body. The aorta divides into smaller arteries that go to the brain, arms, intestines, pelvis, and legs. Small arteries divide into even smaller arteries called arterioles. Arterioles divide into the smallest blood vessels of the body, the capillaries. In capillaries, blood releases oxygen, glucose, and other nutrients, and picks up carbon dioxide. The capillaries join together to form venules, very small veins. Venules join together to form small veins. Small veins join other veins to form the biggest veins of the body, the inferior and superior vena cava. Blood poor in oxygen and rich in carbon dioxide enters the right side of the heart. It leaves the right side of the heart through the pulmonary artery, traveling to the lungs through smaller arteries, arterioles, and capillaries. In the lung capillaries, the blood releases carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen before it goes back through venules and veins to the left side of the heart. Finally, it returns to the aorta. The difference between arteries and veins is that arteries have thicker walls and are more elastic. Vasculitis. Vasculitis is the inflammation of the blood vessels. Inflammation may be the body's response to infection, trauma, or disease. Inflammation of the blood vessels can cause them to narrow, blocking blood flow. It can also cause the walls of the blood vessels to become painful, red, and tender. Depending on the disease, vasculitis can affect various blood vessels. When arteries are the inflamed blood vessels, the condition is also called arteritis. Vasculitis can affect blood vessels in various organs, such as the brain, kidneys, and lungs. Vasculitis is a group of diseases of the blood vessels. The diseases differ according to the blood vessels involved, the organs involved, the main cause, if known,